It's a new 2017 GMC Canyon. It's a mid-size pickup with big truck capabilities, giving you something your heart and head can agree on. It comes with great features you love. V6 engine, rear-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Cars.com writes, it's by far the most luxurious and mild-mannered mid-sized truck in its class, and that upscale feeling doesn't come at the expense of payload and towing. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
All roads lead to Buick GMC. Call, click, or stop on in today. We're conveniently located at 6600 Auto Center Drive in Buena Park, California.